Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your KuCoin account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device. You will be now lead to this kind of interface. At the top, you can see the option login or sign up. If you haven't signed up for your account, then you have to tap on the option sign up. But as we already have our account, you need to tap on the option login. Now here you need to enter your credential, that is your email address and your password. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the option forgot password and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. You can also continue your account with either Apple ID if you are an Apple user or a Telegram account. And if you haven't signed up, then make sure to sign up to your account by tapping on the option sign up at the top right. Now in case if you have entered your credential, all you need to do is tap on login. A verification code will be sent to your email, so make sure to go to your email and check the code and enter it here. Now you can see that I am successfully logged into my KuCoin account. And this is how easily you can log into your KuCoin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.